Hello, kids. How are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. Today, we read our chapter, and our chapter name is Play and Fun. Let's come and start our chapter. It's chapter number 18 Play and Fun. All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. हम काम करते रहे और अपने अंदर किसी तरीके का कोई खेल या कोई गेम हम प्ले नहीं करें तो क्या होगा हम एकदम डल जैसे हो जाएंगे. दिस इज नॉट ओनली फॉर अ famous saying, but it is also truth. We need rest for change in activity because it restore our energy and refresh our body and mind. हमारे रिफ्रेशमेंट के लिए ज़रूरी है चेंजेस. लाइक हम कंटिन्यूस काम करते रहेंगे तो वी गेट सिक और इन. सो गेम्स are very important in our life. We all need to play some kinds of game to keep our body fit and healthy. The games that we play in the school playground are usually not the same that we play in our neighborhood because school's playground is very big and there is some teams are available, but neighborhoods it's not possible. Let us see which games we play in our school and which at home. There is two kinds of games. First one is outdoor and second one is indoor. Games which are played in outside, they called outside games, and games which are played inside the home is called home's game, indoor games. Games on our school playground, जो हमारे स्कूल के प्लेग्राउंड में गेम्स खेले जाते हैं वो. In the school, we usually play games like cricket, hockey, football, volleyball, tennis, etc. These all are called outdoor games. Outdoor, that means घर से बाहर खेले जाने वाले खेल, games, outdoor games कहलाते हैं. Because these are played outside in the open area. The sports competition is held every year in the school. Most of the students take parts in different competitions like race, cycling, high jump, long jump, javelin throw and win attractive prizes. बहुत सारे गेम्स की कॉम्पिटिशन्स हमारे स्कूल्स में ऑर्गेनाइज की जाती है. लाइक साइकिलिंग होती है, हाई जंप, जवेलियन थ्रो, ये सब. और जो विन करता है वो क्या करता है, अट्रैक्टिव से प्राइजेस भी जीतता है. नेक्स्ट इज फर्स्ट इज फुटबॉल मैच. देयर इज अ फुटबॉल मैच हेल्ड. लेट्स कम एंड रीड. When Kamal started for school today, he saw a number of people going in groups. He followed them and also reached the ground behind the school. Ground school के पीछे था. All over the ground as well as in the middle, there were line marks. There were many people in the middle. Some were doing exercise, some were kicking a ball, and some others were stopping a ball. Some people were standing with a coach outside the line. At the time, a man standing in the middle of the ground below whistled. With this, everything stopped. All the people came and shout in rows. The whistleman looks the person from entire side to some distance. Then he tossed something. उसने कुछ टॉस किया. Kamal could not understand anything. Kamal कुछ समझ नहीं पा रहा था. But suddenly the pupil of one side started jumping. एक साइड की pupils जो थी वो जंप करने लग गई. Then all person of both sides cried. Then the whistle blew and they started to kick the ball. फिर उन्होंने जैसे ही whistle बजी तो उन्होंने बॉल को किक करना स्टार्ट कर दिया. The noise grew. आवाज होनी शुरू हो गई. Kamal also started jumping and shouting. कमल ने भी jumping और चिल्लाना शुरू कर दिया. Shouting that means चिल्लाना. Meanwhile, someone kicked the ball and it went into our net. एक बात बंदे ने किक किया बॉल को और वो कहाँ चली गई बॉल? नेट में. A boy standing near Kamal started shouting goal goal. एक लड़का जो कमल के पास खड़ा था वो शाउट करने लग गया गोल गोल. Kamal also started shouting with him, but this time less people shouted. इस टाइम पे कहते बहुत कम लोग जो थे वो चिल्ला रहे थे. Some people were clapping the player who scored the goal. कुछ लोग क्या जो जिस बंदे ने गोल किया था, जिस प्लेयर ने गोल किया था उसके लिए क्लैपिंग भी कर रहे थे. And this teammates were jumping and dancing. और उसकी teammates जो थे वो जंप कर रहे थे और डांस कर रहे थे. On the other hand, some people were silent and looked sad. और दूसरी टीम के जो प्लेयर्स थे वो एकदम शांत थे, साइलेंट थे और सेट दिखाई दे रहे थे. The pupils standing near Kamal started to stare at him and other boys. Suddenly, Kamal got a slap on his back. कमल ने पीछे से किसी को slap पाया. It is painful. ये दर्द भरा था. He looked back and from Mansaram said, Why do you clap when your team is defeated? तुम क्यों clap कर रहे हो? Kamal could not understand anything. कमल कुछ समझ नहीं पाया. What term? Whose team? What defeated? He said. उसे कुछ समझ ही नहीं था कि क्या हो रहा है. उसकी टीम वाले जीत रहे हैं या हार रहे हैं वो समझ नहीं पा रहा था. I don't know. Mansaram ने फिर explain किया. Mansaram explained. This football match is being played between Badgos and us. ये दो टीमों के बीच में मैच हो रहा है, दूसरी टीम और हमारे बीच में. Our team is wearing yellow dress. हमारी टीम ने येलो ड्रेस पहना है. There were 11 players in it. उसमें 11 players है. The man standing near the net with in yellow t-shirt is Sohan. जो येलो टी-शर्ट में नेट के पास खड़ा है वो सोहन है. He is our goalkeeper. वो गोलकीपर है हमारा. His job is to stop the ball from going into the net. उसकी जॉब क्या है कि जो बॉल गोल में जा रही है उस बॉल को स्टॉप करना यानी रोकना. The white t-shirt, the whistle man is referee. Who is referee? जिसके पास whistle है वो referee है. Remember, remaining 11 players belong to other team. In the meantime, the shouts start going up. While this, Mansaram also keeps saying, look at them. Our players are taking a ball to the Badgaon side. Now the goal is immediate, but the ball went outside the line, made all around the ground. Mansaram said they have kicked the ball out to prevent a goal. Now our players will be getting thrown in. Look there. Rahman threw the ball. Ramesh kicked the ball to the goal post. Oh, Sharif has a ball and he has to beat the goalkeeper only. He kicked and the goal is scored. उसने kick किया और goal हो गया. Kamal saw everyone was jumping and the ball went into the net. कमल ने देखा कि सभी लोग कूद रहे हैं और बॉल कहाँ गई? नेट के अंदर. Kamal was feeling hungry, so he proceeded to his house slowly. वो भूखा था तो वो धीरे से अपने घर चलता बना. He could hear the rising of falling noise from behind. The second goal were coming on his ears constantly. अब वो क्या करता था? उसके कानों में गोल गोल की नॉइज जो है वो सुनाई दे रही थी. Kamal reached his house slowly. He also threw the play football in the school. The next was is games in our home. We play games are in our home are called indoor games. and we play games outdoor. घर से बाहर खेलने जाने वाले गेम्स क्या होते हैं? That's all outdoor games. Now turn to indoor games. We play many games in our homes like chess, ludo, carom, etc. All these games are called indoor games because these are played inside the home. We can play such games even when the weather outside is not favorable, like when it is raining or it is too hot or it is cold outside. जब बहुत गर्मी हो रही है, सर्दी हो रही है ज़्यादा या बारिश हो रही है तो वो हमारे लिए सूटेबल नहीं होता और ऐसे वेदर में बाहर खेलना पॉसिबल नहीं है. That time we are choose indoor games. We play games at home with our brothers, sisters, parents, grandparents and with friends. We should follow some safety rules while playing games. We should not fight with our playmates. हमें अपने साथ खेलने वाले लोगों से नहीं लड़ना चाहिए. We should not play barefooted in the school playground or in the park or even in our neighborhood. We should not play at the place where there the thorny brush or where pieces of broken objects are laying. जहाँ पर टूटे हुए टुकड़े या कुछ कटने फटने वाली चीज़ें पड़ी हो वहाँ हमें नहीं खेलना चाहिए. We should not play with the children who are unknown to us. जो हमसे अनजान है हमें उनके साथ नहीं खेलना चाहिए. We should always play a fair game following its rule. हमें fair game खेलना चाहिए और rules को follow करना चाहिए. We should not hit anyone with a bat or ball or everything as. किसी से हमें किसी को नहीं मारना चाहिए. Always follow the rules of the games while playing. खेलते समय हमें rules को follow करना चाहिए. Some other means of reactions are going to be fair or circus. In the fair, we can enjoy, मेलों में हम enjoy करते हैं. We can enjoy a ride on an elephant, a horse or a camel. We can enjoy different swings like merry-go-round. मैरीगो जो स्विंग झूला होता है उस मैरीगो झूले में हम enjoy करते हैं. कोलंबस में फेयर लेडी etc. Many stalls of different items like glass, bangles, artificial jewelry, showpiece, handmade objects, decorated pots, decorated lamps, etc. ये सब कहाँ होते हैं? फेयर्स में मिलते हैं जो तरह तरीके की चीज़ें हम लोग फेयर से लेके आते हैं, झूले एंड etc. We get to eat various eatable over there also. हमें वहाँ पर खाने की भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें मिलती हैं. In the circus show, we can see tricks played by different animals like tigers, lions, elephants, dogs, parrots, etc. Other people who work in the circus also present different tricks and entertain us like the joker who makes us laugh. सर्कस में क्या होता है? बहुत सारी ट्रिक्स देखने को मिलती हैं जो किससे की जाती है? लॉयंस करते हैं, एलिफेंट्स करते हैं, पैरेट्स, डॉग्स, ये सब अलग अलग एक्टिविटीज़ करते हैं जिससे हम बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड होते हैं और बहुत ज़्यादा जॉयफुल फील करते हैं. एंड एक जोकर जो होता है वो हमको इतना एंटरटेन करता है और हमको हंसाता है जो हमें बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है. From this, our chapter has been completed. I hope you all are understood and enjoying this chapter. It's enough for today. Thank you.